Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's tutorial is all about this full glam look, which is targeted at beginners at makeup. If you have any events coming up this week or this weekend, next week, whenever, and you're looking for a look that is full glam, dramatic yet flirty, this is definitely the look for you. This look features some new products, some new eyeshadows that I got from Juvia's place. So do well to stick to the end of this video and watch the products that I used. This look is very detailed and very beginner friendly. So I hope you guys get much use out of this tutorial. And in case you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video and hit the notification bell so that you get new glam looks every week. So if you want to watch how I achieved this look, keep on watching. For foundation, I'm combining Togo by Juvia's Place and Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation 7N. So to start the look, I am taking Yaounde and applying it to the crease of my eyes. Next, I'll be taking this chocolate brown shade and also applying it to my crease. Next, I'm taking It's Girl, which is this shade right here. And this is from the new Culture Multi-Chrome Shadow. This is their single eyeshadows. This is such a gorgeous color. And I'll be applying it all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be applying a look towards the inner corner of my eyes, and I must say that this shade is kind of reminiscent of the Fenty Beauty Water Brat highlighter, the newly released highlighter. I think this is a good dupe for it. So I'm going to be wetting my brush and applying it towards the inner corner of my eyes. So for concealer, I'm taking J10 from the Magic Concealer Juvias Place. For cream blush, I'll be taking Cheeky Cherry. So outside of camera, I applied dashiki to my crease. Just wanted to let you guys know that. Next, I'm applying batik to the inner corner of my eyes, my tear duct area. So that same batik eyeshadow, I applied it to my lower bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to be applying the Heroin Glow 2 highlighter by Juvias, please. So for the lips, I'm a little bit conflicted what kind of lip I should do. I don't know if I should do a nude lip and do like a full-on lipstick or lip gloss. But let's just see. I'm going to try and apply some, let's just see. So I'm lining my lips with cola. So, since this is a heavy glam look, I am going to be combining these Fenty Beauty glosses. This is the Cherry Amour and Fisher Flex. I'm a bit petrified. I don't know how this is going to look like. So I'm probably going to apply Fisher Flex first. Cherry Amour. And guys, this is the final look. I am so pleased with this look because it's serving dramatic in a fun and feminine way, nothing too serious. And this look is going to guarantee that you'll stand out from the crowd. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.